Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lee of IKNOWLEE. I know I'm looking really crusty faced right now. Not necessarily crusty, but you know, I'm just looking real regular. And it's because I don't have on any makeup, because we're gonna do a makeup tutorial today with quite a few of the new products from Makeup Shayla, her collection that she did with Colourpop. I have almost everything from her collection, both highlighters, the lip gloss, and the eyeshadow palette. The other lipsticks that actually come with the set, they're in the mail. So, and I wanted to get this video put up. I'm actually gonna skip through most of the foundation routine because I have a video before where you can kind of see that, and I will link that above in the cards. But I do have some new foundations from Covergirl. This is their True Blend Matte Made D70 and then D80. I'm actually going to be using these. They also launched two primers. This one is the Skin Smoothing Primer, and this one is the Pore Minimizing Primer. So I'm actually going to use the smoothing one. Yeah, I freaking, you know how like you land in a bed and you're like holding your cell phone in front of you? So I was doing that last night, and I freaking dropped the phone on my face and it hit my nose. And like, I swear to you, I was in the bathroom almost in tears, like my nose is broke. I know my nose is broke. That's how painful it was. It wasn't, obviously, I felt it. I didn't feel anything that was out of place, but I swear it feels like my nose is swollen and it hurts every single time that I freaking touch it. Okay, I'm using D80. That's about 3 pumps. I'm being so gentle on my nose, like so gentle. Always make sure that you blend down your neck. I wanted you to see exactly what the foundation looks like on my face. It's really beautiful to me. I did not mix it with anything. It's not set. This is just the foundation. So let me go ahead and do the rest of my base, and then, you know, it's gonna come together. Yes, we are back and my base is on, but I think that we're actually going to go out of order in this video and start off with the highlighters, because I just feel like my face needs a bit more dimension. So I'm gonna highlight. The way that I'll do this is I will layer both of these. Boomin' is like a gold and Pose is a copper. I tend to go more copper, but gold does look really good on my skin. So here they are swatched. This one is Boomin' and this one is Pose. So you can really tell the difference. You have a gold and then more of a copper. So I'm going to start off with Boomin', which is the gold one. Here it is. That's too much. That's Boomin', and I can see exactly why she named it Boomin'. Pow! Let's do Pose on the other side, and then I'll mix the two. Can you tell the difference? This one definitely reads more pink. This one matches the background, which is like, it's gold. Both very pretty though, very pretty. This one is a bit more everyday wearable, and this one is like, I'm going out tonight, honey. And I'm gonna take a little bit down the bridge of my nose and on my Cupid's bow. I'm just dipping it into both. I think that it looks so good, like so good. My face is looking snatched. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do kind of like a peachy nude lip, kind of similar to one of the ones that she has in the collection, and then I'll show you what the gloss looks like. So the lip liner that I'm mixing is Conspiracy by Urban Decay, and I am going to use this nude NARS lipstick called Get It On. Isn't that a pretty color? This is her lip gloss in Neat Freak. The only thing about Colourpop applicators is that you don't get a lot of product, and it's only like with their lip glosses. I don't know what it is about this. The gloss, that gloss is nice. Before the start of the show, this is her eyeshadow palette. Came through dripping. I love it. The packaging on this is like a matte black with these metallic accents. It does come with a mirror, so I'm not gonna blind you. But look at that. I'm gonna start off with the color Revenge, which is an orange right in the crease. Right above that, I am going to use Thick, which is like a true orange. Then Played Out in the palette, everybody knows it's a brown, but it almost reads a little burgundy. I'm using that color in the outer corner and kind of in the lowest part of the crease. I'm gonna do Shade on the lid, right? And then I'm gonna put Strut and Slay in the middle, as kind of like a halo eye. Because shade is like a burgundy. It does have some glitters in it. I don't really think that they're going to show up though. Oh, nope, I lied. Look at that. My eyelids are already really dark, so maybe you can see it, maybe you can't, but it's on there. They on Instagram today. That's not. Y'all see it? That's nice. I don't know why I get so excited, but I do. I'm gonna spray it with a little bit of Fix Plus, and I'm using Strut and Slay, which is virtually a pink, but it's a little darker, right in the middle. How you like me now? I'm actually think I'm gonna go over the very middle part too with Spill the Tea. I need to go somewhere today. For the inner corner, I am going to take Unbothered in the palette. It looks like it's iridescent. For the bottom lash line, I'm going in with Revenge and Played Out, and probably a little bit of shade. So I'm starting off with Revenge, almost in like the same order that I did it before. I'm just gonna go in at like a little bit of mascara, kind of clean it up, fix anything that I need to fix, and I'm gonna be back. So I have these two new Fix Plus sprays from MAC. This one is in Pink Light, and then this one is in Gold Light. I'm shaking them so that you can see what they do. Can you see that? I don't even know if you can see it, but I'm gonna use a little bit of both. It's spraying all weird. Let me just use the gold one. I don't know why that one is spraying like that. They smell so good. Like, that is it, guys. Let me know down in the comments below what you think about the whole Makeup Shayla collection with Colourpop. But before you leave, make sure that you take the time to subscribe. You can just click on that picture of me. And then, of course, watch some of my other videos. I will leave my latest video linked right here. And all you have to do is click on the screen to view it. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!